What's up YouTube, CO2008 here. Today I have another unboxing video. I just got these today, a pair of Nike runners. They are the Nike Zoom Winflo 6 Shield, UK size 9. I picked them up on the Nike's website on the clearance sale. I think I paid about €74 for them. Not too bad. They look quite nice on the website. They are a running kind of shoe runner, but I'd use them for mostly walking and kind of a lifestyle kind of runner, as I do with all the other ones. Box itself is quite nice, a bit different to all the others. Swoosh. Netherlands. And yeah, there we go. I like the colorway on them because they're a bit darker, had green, purple accents on them as well. I do have a very another pair of runners very similar like these. I don't know necessarily if they're the same model, but they look very similar in design. I think they are the Zoom ones as well. But I just like the color of these on the website because they were kind of different. I do like darker kind of runners because they don't stain as much as light runners do. Quite nice looking. Can't wait to test them out and try them out. Yeah, that's it. Just a quick unboxing of the Nike Zoom Winflo 6 Shield. Quite a mouthful. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. More videos to come. Next video should be hopefully a review of the Adidas HD Boost runners I had a while ago. Did an unboxing. So yeah, thanks for watching.